Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're simply gonna look at how to edit the collection in Perplexity AI. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to edit any collection in Perplexity AI. Well, this right here is the interface. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to library. At the left side of the screen, just below discover, you will see a button like this that is called as library. Click on it right now. Then from here, you will be redirected to this page. As you can see the threads and collections from right here. Well, right now all we want to do is delete the collection. That is example. I want to edit this collection, so I'm simply gonna click on it. Now once you click on it, this page will open up. Well, this right here is the collection and this is the thread that is inside the collection. Now let's try to edit it. At the top right next to share, you will see a button like this, that's more. Click on it right now. And from here, you can see these two options, edit collection or delete collection. For now, I'm simply gonna look at edit collection. Well, from here, you can edit the title, change, add or remove emojis, add descriptions and everything. And once everything's okay, simply hit on update. Likewise, in case you want to delete the collection, simply hit on delete collection. It's gonna ask for your confirmation, just hit on confirm, and then your collection will be deleted. That is it guys, that's how we edit collections in Perplexity AI. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.